Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install, set up, and configure your app, ProcessStreet Action Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you click on it. Then you click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with the installation, reload the page. Then search for the custom page of the app and click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its features such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to obtain and configure your app. We have the setup feature, no worries. Let's walk you through on how to connect this specific app. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required an API key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account which we've created online. Click on your profile, click on Settings, and then click on Integrations. Then you click on New API Key and you will be able to copy your API key, head back to your account and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And as well, the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on these specific apps. To receive notifications, toggle on the notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.